filming the video because Wolf Crew nearly has to go off, eh?
Yeah, I think.
I'm not going to tell you the name, but here it is. And guys, I'm going to be safe because I'm only going to be on the bus without Wolf Crew. But next time I'll invite him to my house. Are you busy on Friday?
I don't know. I got Curtis on this Friday.
We live in New Zealand.
Yeah.
But we're not telling you which part of New Zealand, eh? Don't tell me which part. Wait, is that a money game?
No. What is this? I'm under attack. Help me, team. Kill him.
Did that cost money or anything?
No.
Oh, cool.
It's for free.
And guys, see you guys. Check the view for a few minutes. Okay guys, thank you. And sorry guys for making this a short video. Oh, we have to go this way now because I don't have permission for their faces on YouTube, eh?
I died.
He's still here guys. I just paused the video because some people had to go home. Plus Wolf Crew.
I'm not going yet.
It's only a few stuff.
If you play Trigger Bingo or something like that, comment down below so you can join me. I'm level 8.
And guys, please, if you guys want to play Broadcastle, it's a fun game and stuff. I'm not telling you guys what game
How
that is.
dare him? How dare him? He killed me.
You do want to record for a few minutes?
Sure.
And I'll play.
Kill these people. They're computers. I'm just versus myself. And that is the game. That's the game.
Wait, you have a bazooka?
What?
You have a bazooka?
Yeah, I got it. Don't you waste it. Don't you dare waste it.
Why?
Take over. Next kill I'll do. Next kill. Next time you don't, I'll take over. I will rank up for us, guys. Don't. Whoever has a red, no, he's on your team. If it's red, he's not, and that's to see where they are. Because green is where your teammates are, and the black, the red, is your enemies. Sorry guys, he does not know how to play.
I only started, okay?
Yeah, next kill, I'll come out. Quick, kill him. Kill him. God damn it. Just die real quick.
I swear.
That's it. I was like, just kill him. I wasn't swearing. Guys, I was
Oh, someone's here.
Kill him. Nice. Don't die.
Oh. Guys, Wolfroo's nearly dying.
And it was so close. There's the scores.
It said he has to go home. But guys, if you live like in New Zealand and go to Ashburton, definitely buy these skins. But he
He killed her with the pistol.
Guys,
He killed it with a pistol.
guys, Wolfgang's nearly on. And I'm sad. Are you?
A wee bit.